Recitation number 10. This recitation is about the violence at work in hotels, catering, and tourism. Violence and stress at the workplace are complex phenomena. Their negative impact range from psychological, rather subjective, harm or injury to physical injury, breakdown, or disease. Violence includes not only physical acts committed in a limited number of single situations, but also long-term behavior like harassment, whose impact on the victim can be even worse than that of immediately physical injury. Moreover, stress is difficult to delimit. Its harmful stress is to be distinguished from its use dimension. This paper is a review of the relevant literature that is available at present. While studies on violence and stress at work in general are still in pioneer stage, even less literature can be found on the hotel, catering, and tourism sector. More research is therefore needed to sharpen the concept as well as to increase the volume of empirical knowledge. Consequently, the general picture that can be obtained from the many partial insight presented in this paper is hoped to stimulate the debate on the issue raised. The hotel, catering, and tourism industry embraces a large number of different organizations and workplaces, including hotels, motels, and campsites, restaurants, bars, clubs, and cafeterias, catering and canteen establishments, travel agencies, and tourism information office, as well as conference and exhibition centers. A number of factors are mentioned below which, either alone or in combination directly or indirectly, may contribute to the stress and violence, and which are more or less characteristic of the sector. They are, however, neither exclusive to the sector nor should they be seen as predominant in the sector, as the information available on working conditions in the hotel, catering, and tourism sector remain largely anecdotal. The same is true for information on violence and stress in this industry. First one is long shift, irregular and unusual working hours. A characteristic of potential stress factor for many workers in the hospitality industry originates from changing timetables and work during unsocial hours, including evening and nights. While a large proportion of employees work shorter hours due to their part-time status, overtime is also common, with a higher than average number of people working more than 65 hours per week. Smith and Carroll is impressed.